Thinking about getting MetForm Pro? Here's a quick guide to walk you through the entire process. Start by heading over to the pricing page. You'll find a few different options there, from a personal plan to a full agency plan. Pick the plan that fits your needs and hit Purchase Now. This will take you to the checkout page. Fill out your email address, first and last name, then scroll down, country and zip code. Next, pop in the payment information with your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure you agree to the privacy policy, and then click Purchase. After that, you'll see a screen with your order details. It might say pending until the payment clears, but in the meantime, you'll receive an email from WP Met with your account info and a password reset link. Log in to your dashboard. From here, you can manage your account and download your purchased products. To download the plugin, click on the Downloads tab in the sidebar. You'll see your purchased product listed. Click on the file name to download the .zip file to your computer. Now, go to your WordPress site dashboard. In the sidebar, hover over Plugins and click Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Choose the .zip file you just downloaded and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate Plugin. The last step is to activate your license key. Go back to your WP Met account dashboard and navigate to Product Licenses. Add your website's URL to generate a license key. Copy the license key, go back to your WordPress dashboard, and find the MetForm tab in the sidebar. Under MetForm, click on License. Paste your key into the field and click Activate. That's it. You're all set up and ready to start building amazing forms with MetForm Pro.